Many of us can admit to our taste being bigger than our budget when it comes to achieving that dream kitchen. I want to share with you 10 tips and ideas you can implement into your kitchen to make your kitchen look expensive. You don't need to invest in a big redesign to get your dream kitchen. In most cases, if your kitchen is dark and drab, lighten up the walls with paint. If your cabinets are tired and old and you don't have the money to invest in new cabinets, try painting them. And that's what we did a few months back. We are so pleased with the new bright and airy look in our kitchen. I'll have a link down below if you guys want to see what we use to paint our cabinets down below. Tip number 2, lighting. Since our kitchen refresh, I decided to update our lighting, and thanks to our friends over at Capital Lighting, I partnered with them to share the new lighting for our kitchen. Now, don't get me wrong, I really do love my lighting, but since the walls and the cabinets were painted, I felt like it was starting to look a little farmhouse. No offense to anyone, that's just not the look I was trying to achieve. The lighting over the island served its purpose, however, I'm ready to let it all go. Crystalrama has some of the most beautiful and unique lighting, and they create some of the most whimsical crystal chandeliers that I've ever seen. The name of this chandelier is called Manning. It's 26 inches in width, and it also has 6 incandescent candelabra lights. It also has that traditional style and feel that I love so much, with the added bonus of beautiful crystal on the chandelier. Although they had matching pendant lighting, but I went with something a little different over my island. This 14-inch mini chandelier is also by Crystalrama. It's elegant and tailored enough for your dining room or your kitchen with its wrought iron leaves on the wall mount. And the white linen shade I love so much because it helps to diffuse the light. I will have the link to Capital Lighting and Crystalrama down below in my description box. Tip number 3, update your window treatments. Aesthetically, drapes can play a big role in shaping your interior style, especially in open plan kitchens because it's the heart of the home. We've updated our old blinds for shutters, and I only wish we got them sooner because it keeps our kitchen so much cooler in the summer. I always love to use drapes in our kitchen. It's a personal preference because I love the cozy feel it offers. Here's a money-saving tip for adding drapes anywhere in your home. HomeGoods had these drapes that say summer as the day is long. 4 panels came in a pack for $50, although they weren't long enough, so I pulled my infamous hack and added fabric to the bottom to accommodate my desired length. I know you all have heard me before telling you how important it is to take the time to knock out those wrinkles out of your panels after you buy them. The one I'm using is by Conair. It's versatile, it's faster than pulling out your iron, and your drapes will look fabulous. Number 4, appliances. From saving on your light bill to greening the environment, updating your appliances will not only boost the resale of your home, but it will save you a ton of money on your energy bill. We have seen a huge difference in our energy bill since getting our new fridge, and I'll leave that link down below if you want to know more about the Smart Hub fridge. Also, the dishwasher. It uses way less water than the old one. The old one was about 10 years old. My motto has always been a clean kitchen is a luxurious kitchen, and I'm not a fan of having tons of appliances on our counters unless they are as pretty as the Smeg Toaster. It has certainly been a splurge, but this toaster looks amazing on our counters. Smeg is commonly known for that 50s retro look appliances. It has 6 browning levels with reheat, defrost, and cancel, and it has a removable crumb tray for easy cleaning, and I'll leave that link down below. Tip number 5, drawer pulls. Update your cabinet hardware throughout your kitchen. It's a simple change that has a huge impact on the overall look. I get so many compliments from family and friends, and even here on the tube and Instagram. These pulls are acrylic. They're 10 a pack for $30. They're lightweight but heavy duty enough for not only your kitchen but your bathroom too. I'll leave a link down below in my description box for these drawer pulls. Tip number 6, area rugs. Add warmth and personality to your kitchen with an area rug or rug runners. At the moment, we have tile on our floors, and tile can get really cold, especially in the morning. Having rugs in your kitchen is an easy way to infuse color, depth, character, plus they provide that extra comfort under your feet. Tip number 7, decorative dish towels. I'm a sucker for a pretty dish towel. I use them all year round, not just for drying dishes, but I let my guests use them as a huge napkin to protect their clothing when we're having dinner. And when they're not in use, I display them. They have fun and fabulous sayings that add that little touch of whimsy to your kitchen, and they're very affordable. I'm getting ready for ice cream season, and I've added a few ice cream essentials. My inspiration were these adorable pink and white bowls, and they're the perfect size for any dessert, and they are from Home Goods, 4 in a pack for $5. Always try to incorporate some sort of greenery into your space. It adds life whether it's real or faux, and I love putting them out every season, and as you can see, they took center stage around the Easter holidays quite a few years ago. I'll put that link down below in case you guys want to see my Easter tablescapes that I did back in the day. Boxwood balls you can get from Hobby Lobby or Home Goods, and the planters are from the Target Garden Center. I had both over 10 years. It's always a simple go-to for my table. Tip number 9, if you have an island, style it with simple, elegant pieces. My ginger jars are just my babies, and I have them all around the house. Grouping them together has more of an impact than just placing one. More function and style over by the fridge with our enamel bread box. It's from Crackle Barrel. And tip number 10, artwork. All the time you spend in your kitchen, why not get something that speaks to you? This piece of art is from TJ Maxx, 2 for $20, and I love that it has that French country feel. I like to give a warm thank you to Capital Lighting and Crystalrama for lighting up my home, and I will leave their link down below, and I want to thank you all for watching.